YouTube, Joseph Ulmer here, and tonight I'm sitting down. I'm going to try and draw up a logo for my channel that you guys have been watching. I've been thinking about doing this for a long time, and I want to do something. I've got an idea in my head of what I want to do, what I want it to look like, and I want to try and draw that up, and I'm trying to keep it simple so that I can use it possibly on business cards to help promote the channel, on t-shirts or other things that I may brand merchandise to go with the channel in the future, but something that is unique, that is different, and that people would like to possibly have on merchandise. So I'm going to set you up as a quick time lapse so that you can watch what is coming out of my head onto this sheet of paper, or maybe multiple depending on how many renditions it takes me to get it right. But do me a favor while you're here, check out the links down in the description. There's a link to Camp Hope, which is a 401c3 charitable organization that I'd really like you guys to check them out, and if you feel so inclined, please donate. They work to help combat wounded veterans to overcome their disability and be able to get back outdoors while being in the company of other veterans who are dealing with similar hurdles that they're experiencing. So do me a favor, check them out. There's also a link to a GoFundMe set up to benefit Camp Hope. All the money goes directly to Camp Hope, so please check those out down in the description. Don't forget, when it's all over with, rate the video. Please click the subscribe button, guys. I really do appreciate it, and like I've said in a couple other videos now, if you subscribe to my channel while I'm shooting one of these videos, I will give you a shout out in the video. I've got my phone sitting right here, and when I get a notification of a subscription, if I'm doing the video, like I said, give you a shout out. So the only thing is, you have to make your subscriptions public. If you don't want to, I understand, that's fine. But if your subscriptions are private, I see that I got a new subscriber, but it doesn't tell me who it is, so I can't give you a shout out. I'm sorry. Anyway, comment, rate, subscribe, and we're going to dive right into this video. thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that process and you like the finished product of the logo, which you will be seeing appearing more on the channel. As you can see, I didn't go into great detail with the logo because I want something simple that I can hopefully be able to scan into the computer to digitize. That way I can use that on the channel, branding, marketing for my channel, things of that nature in the future. If you have any questions about this, I just took something that I saw in my head and drew it out as I wanted it to look, and hopefully it turned out really neat and you guys enjoy it, and hopefully you enjoyed the video of watching it. So do me a favor, please comment, drop any question you have in the comments. Please rate the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and guys, sometimes you don't have to get dirty to be creative.